Меня зовут Альфия, and in today's video we will learn 10 different ways to say "нет" in Russian. First, I'd like to pay your attention. "Нет" is no, "нет" with t. And "не" without t. "Не" is not. It's vice versa, yeah? "Не" is a particle that we put before another word, like "не хочу", don't want. "Не буду", will not. Hope you understand it and you will not confuse it because we are going to use both words today. To start with, we're going to take the easiest way to say no. No thanks. Нет, спасибо. Нет, спасибо. Хочешь кофе? Нет, спасибо. Еще десерта? Нет, спасибо. We are suggesting something and we refuse. We say no thanks. Нет, спасибо.
Не, спасибо, я просто смотрю.
Phrase number 2 is не стоит. Не стоит. To translate it literally, we say it's not worth. You don't need. Actually, it is also another way to refuse, to say that we don't need anything. Yes? For example, someone is going to do really something helpful, but we don't need that. Like someone is going to help us with our heavy bags, and we say, нет, не стоит. Не стоит, спасибо. Не стоит. Quite often people can offer something starting with the word вам нужно, do you need, or вам надо, do you need. They are the same things. Вам нужно, then comes something. Вам надо, then comes something. To say no, of course, we can say не нужно, не надо. Нужно and надо, again, are words that mean necessary. And we say not necessary, не нужно. Спасибо, не нужно. Спасибо, не надо. Like, вам нужно поехать на машине? Нет, не нужно. Вам надо быть в 8 часов там? Нет, не надо. Number 4. Ты что? Ты что? This is quite informal way when we are shocked and we really don't understand why someone is doing that or why someone suggests something. And we say, ты что? Ты что? We see that someone is eating something strange, or we see that someone is doing something strange, or someone is suggesting something strange, and we say, ты что? What are you saying? Something like that. Ты что? It's not exactly to say no, but we express that it's not for us. Thanks a lot. I'm not gonna do that. Ты что?
Вы что? Да что? Ну это уж совсем было бы странно.
Number 5. Ни в коем случае. Ни в коем случае. No way. Ни в коем случае. To translate it literally, we have not in any possible case. Случай is case. Ни в коем случае. Not in any case. We can use double negatives in Russian. That is why we can easily say ни в коем случае не оставляй дверь открытой. Number 6. Конечно нет. Of course no. Конечно нет. Конечно нет. Will you come tomorrow? Ты придешь завтра? Конечно нет. Because tomorrow is a day off. Конечно нет.
Нет, конечно нет.
I think that we need some more polite phrases. Number 7 is извини, не могу. Извини, не могу. Sorry, I can't. Не могу means I can't. It is when someone asks to do something and we want to say that we can't do that. Извини, не могу. If we want to put it in the future form, because quite often such requests are about something in the future, we can say извини, не смогу. С means something that is going to be completed in the future. Извини, не смогу. Another polite variant is думаю, вряд ли. Думаю, вряд ли. In Russian, quite often we say думаю because we aren't sure. Думаю means I think, I suppose, I believe. Думаю, вряд ли. What is вряд ли? Вряд ли is like maybe, but it's not maybe yes, maybe no. It's maybe no, or it's more like no. Думаю, вряд ли. I'm not sure 100%, but I guess вряд ли.
Ну, это вряд ли. Я его к ветеринару везу.
Another polite way is боюсь, что нет. Боюсь, что нет. Боюсь means I'm afraid. In Russian, it is not an adjective. It is a verb, and we put it in the present form. Боюсь. Боюсь, что нет, or we can say боюсь нет. Боюсь нет, I'm afraid not. And number 10. Sometimes we have a situation when we said already no, but the person asks again and again and again and again, and we have to say нет, нет и еще раз нет. No, no, and again, no. Someone asks, and it's getting a bit annoying, and we say нет, нет и еще раз нет. Or some people are asking to buy something on the bus and they're following you, and you need to say quite firmly, and you say нет, нет и еще раз нет. Yeah. And so they will understand. They will understand. It sounds strongly, but that's how it should be. How to practice that? I'm going to suggest something now, and you're going to refuse. You choose what to say. You can be polite, you cannot be polite, depending on what I say, I think. So the first thing that I suggest is ты можешь одолжить денег. Another one. Будешь еще супа? Another one. Тебе помочь? Можно мой кот переночует у тебя? Ты можешь прийти завтра. And the last one. Пожалуйста, пожалуйста, купи этот сувенир. I hope you said нет, нет и еще раз нет. If so, you are right. We can practice more. If we have Skype lessons, contact me on my Facebook. I'm always happy to help you out. See you next time. Пока-пока, ребята.